model, 60-plate Volkswagen Caddy 1.6 Tdi Automatic DSG injector misfire repair 139 km No Vat. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 139,155. MOT, the 16th of February 2026. Engine, 1598 cc 1.6 TDI 102 PS. Transmission, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs with a misfire. Need injector replaced and still starts and drives straightforward injector replacement job. Automatic gearbox is perfect, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads